In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the Touch Align tool. The Touch Align tool is your best friend when it comes to creating sales territories. It's essentially like finger painting on a map. To access the Touch Align tool, you click here on the Home menu for Touch Align tool. When you click that, you'll see your cursor changes to a big circle. You can adjust the size of your circle by using the brackets on your keyboard, like so. So now let's zoom into an area. Let's come here to Missouri. To create a new territory using the Touch Align tool, you simply click with the left button on your mouse and hold it down and you can draw out a territory. When you let go, that territory has been created. Using the Touch Align tool to expand a territory, you simply click again on the territory you've created and then you can move and extend that territory. If you hold Control on the keyboard and then click the Touch Align tool on a territory, it will hug the state boundaries. So you can see here it's hugging the state boundary without crossing into the other states. So I'm creating the entire Territory 1 to cover all of Missouri, just like that. And you can continue using the Touch Align tool to create territories by simply clicking and creating territories, just like this. You can also create a brand new territory within a territory by holding A on the keyboard and then clicking inside of a territory that you've already created. You can also use the Touch Align tool to jump over a section and create that territory in another area. So if I want to expand Territory 2 into Denver, I'll select here by clicking the Touch Align tool on Territory 2, hold B on the keyboard, move your cursor to Denver, and then let go of the B button on your keyboard. And just like that, we've created two portions of that territory separated by unassigned zip codes. You can also use the Touch Align tool in an existing AlignMix file. Here we have a completed AlignMix file that has sales accounts already imported and territories created. So using the Touch Align tool in this file, I can move around territory boundaries. So let's select the Touch Align tool, and now I'm coming back to Missouri here, and I can just move territory boundaries around like this. If you turn on a territory label for one of your data sets, you can also see instant feedback as you make those adjustments. So let's add a new label here. Configure layers is the first place you go, select territories, and now click the plus button to add a label. And I'll leave it as potential value, but let's change the color to red and click on OK, and then OK again. Now you can see a second label for every territory. And now using the Touch Align tool, I'm going to click and hold on Territory 158. Now I'm going to take that territory east. As I capture zip codes with accounts, you get instant feedback to what is happening between these two territories. We're taking potential value from the purple territory and shifting it to the green Territory 158. When I let go, those changes have been made. And just as I showed you in the earlier part of this video, holding Control on your keyboard will allow you to hug the state boundaries. And you can use all of these tools in a brand new file when starting from scratch, or an existing file where you're modifying existing sales territories. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the Touch Align tool here in AlignMix.